Hi there everyone, it's Nonna Teresa. Today we're going to be making some Christmas cookies. Okay, I'll start with the eggs. Just clean my hands. So now I'll add the sugar and the shortening. So this is like packed 6.5 ounces. Okay, and I will start with a mixer. Okay, now I will start adding the flour. I'm gonna work a little bit with my hands. And I'll let get it back. It's about 4.5 cups of flour. If you need a little more, you can put it. Depends. Sometimes depends on the eggs too, you know. So now, see, it doesn't stick anymore. Okay, so now the dough is ready. I'll put the dough in a plate. So it doesn't stick to the plate. Put a little bit of flour there. You see? Now the dough is good. Okay, I'm gonna clean the counter here, come back with clean hands, and I'm gonna start assembling the cookies. And if you need a little bit of flour, just in case it gets sticky, you put some flour on the counter. And we'll start rolling these cookies here. So you can make them any size you like. For now, let's see. I'll do this. You can do them smaller, you can do them whatever you like. Okay, so you can just go like that. Here I have the cookie sheets with parchment paper. Okay. Okay, we'll wait for the oven. Actually, this pot I'm gonna do it in round. You can do them round too, eh? See? Okay, these are ready to go in the oven, and I will continue on my own. The oven is not ready. I have to get more trays, and I think I need another 2 more trays. I will show them to you when they come out of the oven. Okay, all the cookies are here out of the oven. They're still a little bit warm, especially this one. Okay, they look beautiful. See? So they only stay in the oven 10-12 minutes. So it all depends on the oven too. So I'm gonna make the icing on top, okay? So here I have a bowl. I'm gonna put the icing sugar inside. Just cut the lemon. Yeah, now it's good. Okay, like I will do it with a brush, but I like to decorate it with my finger like this. So it's up to you. So if you're going to decorate them, the icing has to be soft for the sprinkles and the decoration to stick to the cookie. So you do a few at a time. It dries so fast, so you gotta be quick to put the confetti on top. Okay, the cookies are ready. I'm gonna try one because I can hardly wait. You see, they're still a little wet from the icing. Got a smaller one. Very good and delicious. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, ciao for now.